The Amazon, a name that conjures images of a vast, untamed wilderness. This South American rainforest is so large, it could fit inside the continental United States twice over. But its size is only one part of its story. The Amazon is more than just trees. It's a living, breathing ecosystem vital to the entire planet. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth. This powerful nickname highlights its crucial role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. Like our own lungs, the Amazon helps regulate the air we breathe, making life on Earth possible. Why are the Amazon's lungs so important? The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays a crucial role in maintaining the planet's health and stability. Trees, like all plants, use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into the energy they need to grow. This process is fundamental to life on Earth. This process, called photosynthesis, releases oxygen as a byproduct. The oxygen produced is essential for the survival of most living organisms, including humans. The sheer scale of the Amazon, with its millions of trees, means it produces a significant amount of the world's oxygen. In fact, it is estimated that the Amazon rainforest produces around 20% of the Earth's oxygen. But the Amazon's role goes beyond simple oxygen production. It is a biodiversity hotspot, home to countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It also acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing huge amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the air. This carbon is then locked away in the trees and soil, preventing it from contributing to climate change. The Amazon's ability to store carbon is vital in the fight against global warming. Additionally, the Amazon is home to numerous indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices are invaluable in preserving this unique ecosystem. The Amazon River, which flows through the heart of the rainforest, is another critical component. It provides water, transportation, and sustenance to both the forest and the people who live there. The Amazon also influences global weather patterns. Its vast expanse helps regulate temperatures and precipitation, not just locally, but across the globe. Protecting the Amazon is not just about preserving a forest, it's about safeguarding a vital component of Earth's life support system. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that this incredible ecosystem continues to thrive for future generations. Imagine walking through the Amazon. The dense canopy above filters the sunlight, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. The sounds of wildlife echo around you, a symphony of chirps, calls, and rustling leaves. The air is thick with humidity, carrying the scent of damp earth and exotic flowers. Each step you take stirs up the rich, loamy soil, releasing more of the forest's unique aroma. With each breath, you inhale oxygen generated by the forest around you. This oxygen is not just any oxygen. It is a lifeline, a vital component of the air that sustains life on our planet. This oxygen, a product of photosynthesis, is essential for the survival of humans and countless other species on Earth. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, releases oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen then enters the atmosphere, becoming part of the air we breathe. The Amazon's ability to produce oxygen on such a large scale is directly linked to its dense vegetation. The forest is home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees, each one playing a role in this vital process. The millions of trees, along with other plant life, act as oxygen factories, constantly replenishing the air we breathe. These plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, maintaining the balance of gases in our atmosphere. This process is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. The Amazon rainforest is not just a collection of trees and plants. It is a complex, interdependent ecosystem. The health of this ecosystem is crucial for the health of our planet. Protecting the Amazon means protecting the very air we breathe, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. As the Earth grapples with the effects of climate change, the importance of carbon sinks like the Amazon rainforest cannot be overstated. The Amazon absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year, acting as a giant air purifier for the planet. This carbon absorption helps to regulate the Earth's climate by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to global warming. By acting as a carbon sink, the Amazon plays a vital role in mitigating the effects of climate change. Section 5: A Tapestry of Life: Biodiversity in the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, is a vast and vibrant ecosystem that stretches across several South American countries. It is a place of unparalleled natural beauty and biological richness. The Amazon is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species. This means that 1 in every 10 species on our planet can be found in this incredible rainforest. The sheer variety of life forms here is mind-boggling, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. From jaguars prowling the forest floor to macaws soaring through the canopy, the variety of life here is staggering. Jaguars, with their powerful build and stealthy movements, are apex predators that play a crucial role in controlling the population of other species. Macaws, with their vibrant plumage, add a splash of color to the green expanse and are essential for seed dispersal. Scientists believe there are still countless species yet to be discovered within its depths. Every year, new species of plants, insects, and animals are documented, adding to our understanding of this complex ecosystem. The unexplored regions of the Amazon hold secrets that could be vital for scientific research and medical discoveries. This incredible biodiversity is not just a spectacle of nature. It's a delicate web of interconnected life. Each organism, no matter how small, has a role to play. The relationships between species are intricate and often symbiotic, meaning they rely on each other for survival. Each species plays a role in maintaining the health and balance of the ecosystem. For example, certain plants depend on specific animals for pollination, while some animals rely on particular plants for food and shelter. This interdependence ensures the stability and resilience of the rainforest. The loss of even one species can have ripple effects throughout the entire rainforest. When a species disappears, it can disrupt food chains, alter habitats, and affect other species that depend on it. This can lead to a cascade of changes that may ultimately threaten the entire ecosystem. Protecting the Amazon's biodiversity is not just about preserving individual species. It's about safeguarding the intricate balance of life that sustains this extraordinary environment. Section 6: Climate Control: The Amazon's Global Impact. The Amazon's influence extends far beyond its geographical boundaries. It plays a crucial role in regulating global weather patterns. The rainforest releases vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. This water vapor forms clouds that then release rain, not just over the Amazon itself, but also in other parts of South America and beyond. This process helps to maintain rainfall patterns, ensuring water availability for agriculture and other human activities. Section 7: Fragile Giant: Threats to the Amazon rainforest. Despite its immense size and importance, the Amazon rainforest is facing unprecedented threats. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, is eating away at the forest at an alarming rate. Every minute, an area the size of several football fields is cleared. This deforestation has devastating consequences, not just for the Amazon's biodiversity, but also for its ability to regulate the climate. Section 8: Fires of Destruction: Deforestation and its Consequences. The burning of the Amazon rainforest for land clearing releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further exacerbating climate change. These fires also destroy habitats, displacing and killing countless animals. The loss of trees also disrupts the water cycle, leading to decreased rainfall and increased drought. This creates a vicious cycle, making the remaining forest more susceptible to fires and further degradation. Section 9. A shared responsibility. Protecting our planet's lungs. Protecting the Amazon rainforest is not just the responsibility of the countries where it is located. It's a global imperative. The fate of the Amazon is intertwined with the fate of the planet. We all depend on the Amazon for the air we breathe, the regulation of our climate, and the preservation of biodiversity. It's time for collective action to protect this precious resource for future generations. Section 10. Hope for the future. Conservation efforts and their impact. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon. Indigenous communities, conservation organizations, and governments are working tirelessly to protect the rainforest. Sustainable forestry practices, reforestation efforts, and the creation of protected areas are making a difference. These efforts are crucial in the fight to save the Amazon. By supporting sustainable practices and advocating for stronger environmental policies, we can all contribute to the preservation of this vital ecosystem. Section 11. Every breath counts. A call to action. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure that needs our protection. Every breath we take is a reminder of the vital role it plays in our lives. It's time for all of us to become guardians of the Amazon. We can make a difference by supporting organizations working to protect the rainforest, reducing our consumption of products linked to deforestation, and raising awareness about the importance of the Amazon. Our collective action can ensure that the lungs of the earth continue to breathe for generations to come.